Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we are diving into the word auction. It's a B2 level noun, and it means a public sale to the highest bidder. So, what exactly does an auction look like? Well, it's usually a formal event where items are sold to whoever offers the most money for them. Think of antique furniture, art pieces, or even properties being sold in this manner. It's a pretty common way to buy and sell things in many parts of the world. Now, let's talk about some words that are similar to auction. One synonym is sale. For example, the charity sale raised a lot of money. Another synonym is bidding, as in, the bidding was very intense for the painting. You might also hear it referred to as a vendu, though that one is less common, like in the phrase, the old house was sold at vendu. Moving on to opposites or antonyms, we have words like purchase, meaning to buy something directly, as in, I made a purchase at the store earlier today. Another antonym is donation, where something is given without expecting payment. For instance, the community received a generous donation of food. And finally, we have gift, which implies something freely given without an expectation of return. For example, she received a lovely birthday gift. How does auction fit into our everyday lives? Well, you might hear about an auction at school where they're selling off old equipment to raise money. You might hear about a property auction on the news. Even online, you can participate in online auctions where you bid on a variety of goods. Think about phrases like going once, going twice, sold, which are often associated with auctions. In sentences, you might say the art auction was held at the gallery, or she participated in a charity auction last weekend. You could also say the winning bid at the auction was $500. And in a phrase, we might talk about an auction house or the process of auction. To recap, an auction is a public sale where items are sold to the highest bidder. We explored synonyms like sale, bidding, and vendu, and antonyms like purchase, donation, and gift. We also discussed how auctions are present in our daily lives, from charity events to real estate. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of the word auction. I hope you found it insightful. If you enjoyed this episode of Hello Word, please take a moment to subscribe to the podcast. Leaving a review also helps other people discover the show and improve their English. And now for the fun part. I'd love to see what you come up with. Create your own sentence using the word auction and share it in the comments below the video. Until next time, happy learning!